Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your stitched 360 footage via Media Browser, so Premiere keeps the spherical metadata. Next, interpret each clip as VR sphere or equirectangular in clip Modify Interpret Footage. This tells Premiere how to map pixels onto the sphere. Then immediately create a sequence that matches your source resolution and a 2:1 aspect ratio so scaling stays accurate. Once done, make sure playback is set to full resolution only when needed to avoid stuttering during edits. Now you perform the core edits. Place clips on the timeline and use VR effects like VR Rotate Sphere to reorient and VR Stabilizer, or Warp Stabilizer with sphere-aware settings to reduce jitters. Use adjustment layers for consistent color grading, denoise, and localized vignettes so changes apply globally without re-rendering each clip. Nest complicated sections when you do speed changes or multi-clip transitions. This keeps warping and stitch seams predictable. Make sure to preview in the VR viewer or finish by exporting with a VR-aware preset. Choose H, 264 or HEVC, set correct resolution and check the box or toggle that embeds VR metadata so players recognize equirectangular projection. Once exported, test in your target player and a headset to verify seam alignment, horizon level, and frame pacing. If you see black edges, misalignment, or flipped footage, reopen the source clips and reapply VR Interpret Footage or adjust VR Rotate Sphere. Re-export only the affected sections to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.